Now I'm not sure if that I'm gonna plop them in now because storage space. So I don't know that after you plop them in, will they stay in? Can you just unplop them? And then I don't know about that. So knowing that in the past I have plopped things in that never wanted to come out again, I'm just not gonna do that today. So there we have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and little explanation of how to assemble this kit in a nutshell. And of course, there's more detailed explanations and stuff out there. But this should give you a general idea of how simple this is to put together and get ready to bring the field. So we're just going to leave it at that for now. Again, part of the reason why I got this is because it's got
Likey